Hi everyone, Tom Moffett here. Welcome to the BUS 140 Business Communications. I'll be your instructor for the course. In this course, we'll be studying some of the traditional methods of business communications like letters and memos. We'll also get some practice using some of the newer tools like blogs and web conferencing. We'll work on a team project to get experience using skills that you'll use in your professional work. Overall, the goal is to identify and improve on business communication skills that will be important to you for the 21st century work environment. This course is part of the Auto Access program at OTC. You can access the digital content for the course through Canvas on the first day, and that happens automatically. But when you log in, the first thing you're going to see is the home page, which you see here. I encourage you to take some time to explore each of the menu items in the left navigation column over here, especially if this is your first online class. Pay special attention to announcements and modules and the discussions links. I make lots of announcements, so please check the announcements on a regular basis, at least 3 to 4 times each week. So let's take a look at the modules page for just a minute. On this page at the very top is the course schedule. When you open the course schedule, you'll see the assignments are separated by modules. So here is the assignment. In the next column is the due date for each of the assignments and the points on the right side here that are associated with each of those assignments. For example, Module 1 begins with an introduction discussion. The initial posts are due on Thursday, and then the replies are due on Sunday. Please check the course schedule for due dates regularly because these dates change based on the academic calendar, especially at midterm and end of semester. There are several Connect assignments throughout the course, and I'll talk more about those in just a minute. This is typically what the course schedule looks like. Again, pay special attention to the due dates here because these will change as we go throughout the semester. OTC policy requires at least one proctored event for the course. Our proctored event for the course, scroll down here, you'll see it on the calendar, is the 4.4 proctored quiz. You'll have a week to complete that proctored quiz. If you're not familiar with the proctoring requirements, please go to Modules and scroll down to this proctoring section here and review the proctoring requirements for the course. To access the Connect assignments and the quizzes, just click on the link. For example, when you scroll down, there's no Connect assignments in Module 1. The first one is in Module 2, which is a Connect quiz. If this is your first time to use Connect, when you click on that link, you might be prompted to set up an account. If you are prompted to set up an account, please use your OTC email address to set up that account. And that way, any course that you take at OTC that uses Connect, your account will already be set up. Please post any questions about the course to the Student Commons forum in the discussion area. Go back up to discussions. At the very top is Student Commons. You open this link, click reply, enter your question here, and then you'll click the post button. When you enter a question into Student Commons, then I will be able to reply to that question that you might have. Your classmates can also see that question. They may be able to respond to you in a quicker way than what I might be able to. If you have questions of a personal nature, such as grades, please contact me via OTC email. That's moffittc@otc.edu. Again, please use your OTC email address for any questions that you might send to me. The filters are set up so that OTC email might be the only message that gets through. If you use another email account to send me a message, I might not get that message. We also have online office hours available upon request, and we use the BUS 140 online office hours link, and that's at the bottom of the announcements page. So you go to announcements, the home page, and now you scroll all the way to the bottom, and there is the BUS 140 online office hours link. Just let me know a date and time when we can get together, and we'll arrange a time that is mutually agreeable to both of us, and then we can meet online using Microsoft Office Teams. Well, that's enough to get us started. I look forward to meeting all of you, and I will see you online.